Here's another shock. Wow. So here in Thailand, there's one thing that I forgot to mention. So since I've been in Thailand, they use checks. I've never in my life used a check. So first time I used it, it was here in Thailand, and I was totally lost. I was lost. I didn't know what is that, how to use it. I I was just, but yeah. So here in Thailand, you get checks. So you take your check on your payday. You get your check. You go to the bank and you get your money, which is nice, easy, and simple. But in other ways, because back in South Africa, the money just they transfer straight into your account on the payday. So here, the difference is that you have to collect the check and go to the bank, and the money goes straight into your account. Wow, I could say now I know about checks. It's something new, but I know something now. But the only draining part about it, I could say, I feel like it's time consuming. But it's time consuming because as for me, I'm not used of it. Remember where I come from, we don't get checks. The money gets transferred into your account. So here, even if you've got the account, the Thai account, your money still you get a check. Wow, it's amazing, right? It's amazing. But here's the thing, Thailand it works with checks in most workplaces.